Hey there, beauty lovers! Welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever felt like you just can't quite get to those hard-to-reach spots in your mouth? You know, the ones that even your toothbrush can't seem to get to? Well, today we're checking out two products that might just change the game for you. The Doctor's BrushPicks Interdental Toothpicks and DenTek Triple Clean Floss Picks. Whether you have braces, retainers, or just need an extra level of clean between those teeth, these tools claim to help you out. Let's dive right into it. But before we get started, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our honest reviews. Now let's get into it. The Doctor's BrushPicks Interdental Toothpicks are pretty unique in the sense that they feature a two-in-one design. One side of the pick has a small interdental brush filled with long, soft bristles. This helps get between the teeth, even in spots that are tough to reach, like around braces or permanent retainers. The other end has a strong dental pick with ridges designed to help remove food particles and plaque, and even stimulate the gums, which is key for oral health. Then there's the DenTek Triple Clean Floss Picks, which, as the name suggests, come with a floss that has 3 different cleaning strands. This floss is incredibly strong, so you won't have to worry about it breaking or shredding while you're using it. Plus, the picks are designed for comfort, with a grip that's easy to hold and maneuver around your teeth. I've been using both of these products for a while now, so let me tell you about my experience. First, the Doctor's BrushPicks are surprisingly gentle on the gums, which is important if you have sensitive teeth like me. The bristles on the brush side work really well to clean in between my teeth and retainers. I love how the pick side helps clear out food debris too. It's like a little mini massage for your gums. The only downside is that the picks are pretty small, so they can be easy to lose in the bathroom or travel bag if you're not careful. As for the DenTek Floss Picks, these are a game changer for anyone who's frustrated with floss that breaks halfway through. The strength of the floss is impressive. No snapping or shredding, even when I'm trying to get to those tricky spots. Plus, they're just super easy to use and feel more comfortable than traditional string floss. The handle gives a solid grip, so no slipping while you're working between your teeth. I do wish the floss area was a little thicker for more aggressive cleaning, but for daily use, it works just fine. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. The Doctor's BrushPicks definitely have some major plus points. First, the two-in-one design makes it really convenient to have both a brush and a pick in one. The bristles on the brush are soft enough to be gentle, yet firm enough to do the job. It's perfect for people with braces or retainers. However, the downside is that the small size of the picks means they could be easy to misplace, and I feel like a bigger handle would make it a little easier to grip, especially for those who might have arthritis or dexterity issues. For the DenTek Floss Picks, the pros are pretty clear. Strong, durable floss that doesn't shred or break is a huge win, and the comfortable grip on the handle makes it easier to maneuver around teeth. The cons are that, depending on your teeth and gums, the floss might feel a little too thin, especially for those with a lot of buildup or plaque. Now let's talk about value for money. The Doctor's BrushPicks come with 275 pieces, and they're priced really reasonably. Given that they're perfect for travel, daily use, or keeping in your car, they offer great value, especially considering the convenience factor. The DenTek Floss Picks also give you 150 picks in a pack, and the floss is durable enough to justify the price. In comparison to other floss picks, these are on the higher end. But if you're someone who has trouble with regular floss, the durability and performance might make it worth the investment. In terms of build quality, both products feel solid. The packaging for the Doctor's BrushPicks is compact and travel-friendly, which is great if you're always on the go. The DenTek picks have a sturdy plastic handle that doesn't feel flimsy, and they've held up well even with regular use. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get these products, the link is in the comments. Now, customer service. I haven't had to interact directly with either brand, but I've heard good things about both in terms of their response time and helpfulness. The doctor's brush picks are generally known for their great customer service, and DenTek also has a solid reputation when it comes to addressing any inquiries or issues. As for product alternatives, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are plenty of Interdental brushes and floss picks on the market. Some of the less expensive options may not have the same durability as these, but if you're just looking for something to do the job without the bells and whistles, you could find something comparable for less. So, what's the final verdict? Both products are reliable, easy to use, and serve their purpose well. The doctor's brush picks are perfect for anyone with braces, retainers, or hard-to-reach spots, while the DenTek floss picks offer superior flossing for those who struggle with flimsy floss. I would recommend both to anyone looking to improve their oral hygiene routine, whether you have dental work or just want a more effective way to clean your teeth between brushing. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out the link in the description if you're interested in picking these up. If you've used these products before, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.